I just got from my review the Drain Field Cleaner by Dr. Pooper. It's the accelerator, and what this is basically, it will add bacteria and enzymes to your septic tank or drain field. Right here, we do have a septic. As you can see, I've got some holes right here that I can actually access the actual pipe all the way to the septic tank, and then after the case or after the septic, I do have drain field, so it's naturally draining. But the thing is this thing will actually save me a lot of time and headache, because this will actually actively help the enzymes, help the breaking down of solids, of goo, of all the stuff that will get into the septic tank, into the pipes, and into the drain field as well. But the really great thing, and I'm standing here, I don't need to be here, because all of this will happen by the toilet, by the bathroom, which is really, really great. So I'm going to show you exactly how to use this. I told you we are no strangers to Dr. Pooper. We have a bunch of their products, but this one is the latest one. Can't wait to try it. They do tell you it will actually clean organic clogs and sludge, which is awesome, because that's what's going to kind of like, those are the things that will clog up your pipes. The first time you ever use it, you will put 2 of these pods. We've been using Dr. Pooper treatments in the past, so we will only do 1 pod, but these are the pods. And this is literally what you do. You literally just drop it in the toilet and it will start foaming. You wait about 40 seconds, and after 40 seconds, that kind of like, that will start being activated, and all I need to do is flush. Keep this by your toilet at all times, and literally 1 little tab every 2 weeks will keep everything running properly and smelling fresh.